Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube Kids not working. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, in your home screen, tap and hold your YouTube Kids app. Once this pop-up pops up, you need to tap on it. Now here, scroll down and find the storage option. Click on it. First, you need to tap on Clear Cache and then open your YouTube Kids app again to see if it works. If it didn't work, come back here and tap on Clear Storage. Now tap on Delete. Now, even if that didn't work for you, you can go and open your Google Play Store and search for YouTube Kids. See if the button here says Open or Update. If yours doesn't work, most likely it's because of this button showing Update and your app is outdated. Resolving this by updating should make your app going again. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.